Okay, we're going to have a little video clip of how to make these cute little gift boxes, milk carton gift boxes, and make up really quick, simple, print it out on cardstock, cut around the outside edge, and then you're going to score along all of the dotted lines as such. And use your scoreboard to do this. It's going to make it a lot easier making these folds. Let's see, I already started this one. These little short ones are a little trickier. Line up. Take your time. So now you've got it all scored, and we're going to fold. We're going to press with our bone folder. Everything's going to be mountain folds like this. These are going to fold like this. Once you get up here, this is going to be a valley fold, opposite direction. These are going to be valley folds. It's going to be a little hard to kind of do them until you start pushing the box together. But first, you want to make all of these folds nice and crisp. So you use your bone folder, or, actually I like to use a credit card. I think that works good to make a nice crisp folds. Fold this one this way. Okay. Now you'll see your box start to take shape. And now you're going to want to glue this edge, and you're going to glue these to form the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and get my glue going. I like to use this Scotch permanent glue stick. It holds up the best to me of all of the glue sticks. Line it up. Actually, maybe I'll lay it down. It should lay flat after you've glued it. It might be off a little bit. It shouldn't make too big a difference. Okay. Then I'll glue the big ones first. To reach up in there with something, press it together. Make sure your box is square. I guess that's the tricky part. You want to make sure it's glued good when you put your items in. And of course, put glue completely around these little flaps. Once again, reach in there. I've got such big hands, but if you've got a little hand, you can reach in there and press it down pretty good. Okay, actually, if you set it down like this and line up your little things on the bottom and then press them like this, that kind of helps you go a little better. Just try to make sure you get it square, so that this is what it should look like once it's all together and dried. Then the tops, you're going to play with a little bit because you're going to have to bend these in on the sides. So it's just going to take a little play to get those to bend in and yet get this to stay out. But you know how a milk carton looks. So that's how. And then that's really it, because you want to leave the top open to put your stuff in. And for example, this one I put in tea bags, candies, a little bit of fill. Put a little note in there, whatever little goodies you want to put in there. Stick a gift card in there. And then lots of different ways you can close these. Cute little clip. You could punch a couple holes and run a ribbon through. That's one idea. Let's see some other ideas. Okay, here's some more ideas for how to close the top. I like to use paper clips. You attach a little bow to the paper clip. What else? Also, a little clothespin, any kind of clip you find that closes it, or just always punch your holes and put your ribbon through. Be creative. Have fun with it. That's it.